Next we are having laws of exponent. There are some laws. We will study one by one. First is 2 upon 5 raised to power 2 multiply 2 upon 5 raised to power 3. Right? You first need to see whether bases are same. There is multiplication, right? When multiplication is there or division is there. Right? You need to see whether bases are same or not. Here 2 upon 5, here 2 upon 5. Yes, base are same. So, in multiplication, the power numbers, when bases are same, then powers will be added. In multiplication, powers will be added. Right? That means your answer will be, the first law says, when bases are same in multiplication, then powers will be added. That means base is 2 upon 5. It will be as it is. Now add the powers 2 plus 3. That means 2 upon 5 raised to power 2 plus 3 is 5. And when the question is there, that simplify this if the question is there. When you simplify, then solve the answer completely. Solve the power also. Right? That means 2 is multiplied 5 times. It will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 5 times, right? It will be 32. And 5 is also multiplied 5 times. 5 5s are 25, right? 5 5s are 25. And one more 5 is there. 25 5s are 125. And 125 is multiplied by 25. It will be 3125, right? 3125. So this is your answer. Right? Second law says, when power numbers are in division, then look for the same bases. Bases are same. Minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. Right? Here is also division. Bases are same. Minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. Then in division, subtract the powers. First power minus second power. Simply. Base is same. Minus 3 upon 2. Right? Now subtract the powers. 4 minus 2. Base is minus 3 upon 2 and 4 minus 2 is power will be 2 now. Now you will solve it directly. As I explained earlier, 3 is multiplied 2 times. Right? 3 raised to power 2 is there and upon 2 raised to power 2 is there. Right? 3 is multiplied 2 times. 3 3s are 9. Divide by 2 is multiplied 2 times. 2 2s are 4. And what will be the sign? Negative sign is there. You need to see the power even or odd. It is even, and for even you will have positive answer. 9 upon 4 is your answer. Look for B part. Here bases are same. Minus 3 upon 2. Right? It is fine. Now subtract the powers. As it is division here, bases are same. So subtract the powers. 2 minus 4. That means minus 3 upon 2 raised to power. Now 2 minus 4 it is. Opposite signs are there. Subtraction will be done. 4 minus 2 is 2 and keep the sign of greater number. Negative 2 will be the power. Now how will you solve the negative power? To change, first change the negative power to positive power by taking the reciprocal of base. Negative sign is as it is in base. Just exchange the numerators and denominators. Reciprocal will be 2 upon 3. Negative sign as it is in base. Now, as we have taken the reciprocal of base, change the negative sign to positive sign. Power will be now positive. Now solve this power. 2 is multiplied 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Upon 3 is multiplied 2 times. 3 3s are 9. And negative base is there. Power is even. And for even we will have positive answer. 4 upon 9 is your answer. Right? Now, see the third law. Say it is minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3. Look. Now, base is written one time only. And 2 powers are together here. Right? After application of bracket, there are 2 powers. One power is 2, other power is 3. In that case, the base will be same, minus 1 upon 5, and the powers will be multiplied, not added. right? These powers are together. These will be multiplied here. 2 multiplied by 3. That means minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 2 multiply 3 is 6. Right? If the question is simplify it, then we will solve it completely. So let us simplify. 1 is multiplied 6 times. Right? 1 को कितनी ही बार हम multiply करें, answer is always 1. Numerator is 1 and denominator 5 is multiplied 6 times. Right? 5 को 6 times multiply करेंगे. 5 times हमने multiply किया था, right? 3125 it is. And when we multiply it one more time, it will be 15625. Right? Now what will be the sign? Negative sign is in base, right? And power, look for the power even or odd. It is even, and for even we will have positive answer. This is your answer, 1 upon 15,625. Right? Now next law. Minus 3 upon 2 raised to power 0 or minus 8 upon, it can be positive. So suppose take it positive. Okay? It is 8 upon 1252 raised to power 0. Any number, any rational number, any integer raised to power 0 is always 1. This is the fourth law. Both answers are 1. Right? Next law. 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 multiply 2 upon 5 raised to power minus 2. Now here we need to see the basis first, right? As we have just seen in law 1. Right? When bases are same, powers will be added in multiplication. But here bases are not same. So look for the powers. Powers are same or not? Yes, powers are same. Minus 2, minus 2. Right? In that case, when bases are not same, but powers are same. Right? Here powers are same. So in that case, multiply the bases. That means 1 upon 2 multiply 2 upon 5. That means we have combined the bases in multiplication. Just combine and write the power only one time. As power is same, we can write it one time only, minus 2. You can solve this. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. It will be 1 ones are 1 upon 5 ones are 5. 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 2. Now you know that how to solve it. First, change the power to positive. And to make the power positive, we will take the reciprocal of 1 upon 5. It will be 5 upon 1. And power will be now positive. Now solve it. 5 5s are 5 is multiplied 2 times. 5 5s are 25. And in division 1 is multiplied 2 times. It is 1. So our answer is simply 25. Right? Now next in last law is power numbers in division. Right? Minus 5 upon 2 raised to power 4 divided by minus 7 upon 3 raised to power 4. It is division, right? We need to look for the same bases first. Bases are not same. Now look at the powers. Yes, powers are same. So combine the bases. Minus 5 upon 2 divide by minus 7 upon 3. We have combined the bases with division sign as it is division, and power you will write only one time. Power is same, so write it once. Applying the brackets. By applying the brackets, right? Now you will solve the brackets first. Right? How will we solve the division sign? We first change this division into multiplication. That means minus 5 upon 2. When we change the division sign to multiply sign, we take the reciprocal of the number just after this division sign. That means minus 7 upon 3 will be changed to minus 3 upon 7. Negative sign as it is. 3 will be in numerator now and 7 will be in denominator. Do not forget to take the reciprocal when you change division to multiplication. Power will be same. Can it be solved? No, it cannot be solved. Cutting is not there, right? So we will simply multiply the rational numbers. 5 3s are 15. First we will multiply the numbers, right? 5 3s are 15 and in denominator 2 7s are 14 and negative sign is 2 times. 2 is even. For even we will have positive sign, or you can see it like that also, minus minus plus. It is positive raised to power 4. Right? You can leave it here. Right? This is a big number. If The question is simplify it, then you will multiply it 4 times. 15 upon 14 is multiplied 4 times, right? Otherwise you can leave it here. By chance it is bigger number, right? You can solve it by multiplication. Okay. Now